Hey guys, I just want to make a quick video here on doing an egg in a cast iron. Okay, I did some preheat to this, and you have to get these pans hot. Means you can hear it sizzle. Okay, I'm going to do a little bacon fat. And again, I'm just going to do a couple eggs, but you have to get the pan hot. I'm going to render out some fat out of the bacon. You don't have to do this crisp. And again, the heat is what's going to separate your egg from the pan. If your pan is too cold, the eggs are going to stick to it, and you'll end up having a problem. But we just want to get some of that flavor out of the fat. This is already a seasoned pan. You know, you season your pan with temperature. You start to see some of that fat coming out. It's actually easier to do an egg with bacon fat than it is with butter. You can do butter, but you have to make sure that you render down your butter because of the moisture in the butter. Starting to come along. See those fats starting to come out. I'm going to add a little bit of butter to this. Push down. It's gonna cook. Okay. Bring up the temp. It's on low. I brought up the temp where it's sizzling, sort of say, but not smoking. You don't want too hot. Too hot, you'll burn. But you want that action to lift your egg. So I'm just going to drop this egg right in the middle. You can, depends on how you like your egg. You like them over easy, you like them sunny side up. That's perfect. We're gonna get a little action here in a second. Just to get a second one going. You know what, probably just to show you guys. You want to allow that to get a skin. Okay. I could drop a second one in here. That's fine. Okay. Might as well have some breakfast. You can break that white and let it flow around. Remember, I have a low fire. Another thing you could do is put a light covering on this. Remember, I want that to build up a what I call a skin. How do you guys like your eggs? You like them over easy? Well, I do too. We want to be able to have control over the egg. Not like we have a non-stick. It's a little different working. You just don't, you know, everything right now is separated between the egg and the pan. I can tell because it's moving. And at this point, you can get ready for a toss. You see a lot of the white has solidified. Okay, and this is the second egg, so this is looser. But that egg's pretty much ready for a little bit of black pepper. If you're doing an over easy, they can be served like this. Okay, or what I'll do is I'll do this one on an over easy, and I'll keep that one on a whole. Okay, and boom, there you go. There's your sunny side. Or over easy. You can put your cheeses on top. Depends on you like I like a soft yolk. I don't like too hard of a yolk. So I'm gonna let it go a minute. You can flip it back. There's an over easy. Over easy. You got these beautiful pieces of bacon in here. You can throw them on. All right, we're going to give this a try. All right. Boy, I love eggs. Good for you too. And this is going to be a runny yolk. Just as it is, with the flavor of the bacon. Drop that down. That's it. Now with this, you want to use a metal spatula. I just happen to have this on hand. Scrape it all down. You can wipe it out with a paper towel, and then you let it cool. But right now, while this is hot, is when you clean it out. Either you use a metal scrub and then wipe it down, which I could probably show you now. So you could do this, which I'm doing right now, right? That gets all the stuff up. We're going to get a paper towel, and we're just going to wipe this up. Okay, do another one. That's nice and hot, beautiful. You'll see how clean this is. And this is ready to go for the next run. Okay? Sterile, clean. Boom. Okay, guys? All right, hope this helped you. Enjoy your eggs and your cast iron. All right, guys? All right, ciao.